Yep. All right. So today is March 25th, 2025. We had a bit of a reversal on VIX on the daily. You can see that, bam, push out, right? I still think that we're going to reverse back up, and Q and ES are still trying to make higher highs. We got a small little gap right here. I'm not too concerned about. We kind of filled up this gap here. I still think there's still more activities down here that need to be met before price can actually move higher. Maybe we'll move up here into this area here and like fake the rally around 6,000 and then just curve the ball. I think that 525, 5,200 to 5,000 should be met. That's what I'm thinking. I don't have anything below this. I could probably go back and reset some stuff, but those are just my speculations of what price is doing. This buying right here is there's no buying down here. Price is just strongly reversing. Um, this is like an absorption of sellers, and then price just reversed up. Right? I think that will come back down again one more time, and actually find those buyers that's down here that's really trying to push price up. That's my speculation of price. So until right now, we're just gonna ride it up. Let price do its thing, moving up. Not me to try to force it to try to do what I want it to do. Like here is strong buying. You can see that got buying here, absorption right down there, right? And there will price my buy up and then just slice right through right here also. All right, so we'll come to those in a bit. All right, so yesterday we're showing some form of absorption right here towards the end of the day, but we're kind of above it now, so there's that. And it wasn't even a selling absorption, but we're above it now, so nothing I can do about that. I did mark these areas. Let's go to the 1 hour. We got an uptrend here. Let's see if I can catch it from here to there, like that, and zoom out. So basically, we're uptrending the gap, like that, and zoom out. And then this is also where the gap is for this one, and to right about here, right? I think this is where I'm trailing it. Boom, right? So I'll leave that there like that. This look had a potential for a reversal, like we're still trying to, but right, NQ is trying, but we'll see what come of that. 5 minute sales likely going to go. Let's go to the 30 minute. We're still in a strong uptrend. Let's go to the 30 minute. Right. Let me hide this. This is just way too much for that. Okay. Absorption right here. Nothing. Alright, so still not really sure what price is doing. So right now, it was just riding the uptrend, right? I don't think I have anything. I do. Alright, so we'll delete this. I'll remove this. I think I deleted NQES weekly high. Let me add it just in case I did delete it. There it is right there. The prior week, the weekly high. I would need a high, right? Uh, 24. It's gonna be this one here. All right. All right. Go back to the 30 minute. All right, there it is. Right. Boom. Okay. Let a pause. Pause. So maybe this area right here might be something of interest. All right. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not really feeling that. Not feeling this. I'm not feeling anything here at all. I'm just not getting any clear signs of what price really wants to do. This 5 minute sell, 15 minute sell. This was a nice area for price. If price can get back under it, I'll look for a short. I don't know what price is trying to do. Nothing's sticking out. Nothing is sticking out. Alright. Nothing's sticking out to me. Okay. Let's just do this. So 10 o'clock news. That's pretty much it. Alright, well, I'll do settlement price. Ain't got much I'm really working with. Nothing is sticking out. I've never been so unclear. Okay. That's pretty much it. Alright, so oh no. I'll look for a rejection up here. Okay, let's do EOV. Can I find an EOV? Alright, we got this one. Kind of above it. Strong volume though. Very strong volume. Same spot. Alright, so we're just gonna keep that the way it is. Yeah. Alright, this one here. Alright, we're gonna keep that one the way it is. You see that we kind of came back into that level, and then really just destroyed it. I'm just gonna delete that. Alright, so it's a lot going on. Okay, so that's that. Done with this. Nothing else I can do. Let's go to this here. Let's see what's going on here. We got buy, 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 buy. Alright, so it's still uptrending. It is what it is. Alright, so got that. I wanted to see something from the price action. From yesterday. Not this one. This one here. This is post market. Yesterday. Alright, so today is March. I want to see that buy that came in towards the end of the day. I want to see what volume look like. Alright, so right about here. Alright, let's zoom out. Alright, so we got a sell into it. When did this buy come in? Alright. Alright, so that buy. So we have sell. Okay. So we had a sell. We had a sell into it, and then we got a buy there on the 30 on ES. Alright. Yep, boom, got a buy there. It just popped on there. This is not really. This thing is just going. So this is what happens with this. It's actually not as clear as the actual video. I'll put up the actual video. Alright, so let's jump to here. Alright. jump forward. All right, so we did get this switch to buy. Got a buy over here. We have sell. All right, so we got the first sign of buying on this 15-minute, but we still had small lower areas to go to. All right, we got a buy. All right, not ready to yet to go down. I still think we should come down there. This is just barely grazing it, so price comes down one more time. All right, and then there we go with fluster. Still not ready yet. I still think we got more downside to go. But I probably would have attempted this one here. 802. Stop loss would have been already near the break even. Let's see how price reacts. Yeah, had to be about break even after this right here. All right, price comes down one more time. So the buying came with that, with this. All right, yeah, buying came with that. Price comes down one more time. Then couldn't find anything. All right, got buy, sell, buy, sell at an area of interest. Finish with a buy. And then from there, we start to move up. All right, that would have been the entry. A lot of buying just stepping in. $30, $4.15, more buyers just stepping in. Alright, so that's it for me. Okay, just a quick review of that. That was the only trade that I saw yesterday. But I'm going to be more on the buying side of today's market until I can no longer buy. Okay, look, we got a sell here on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute. I messed this up. This has never been like this. Alright, that's back to where it was. What the heck is that about? Alright. Alright, so we got something here. So maybe. Alright, so that's it for me. I'll be back later. Adios.